Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a job. Bill Cipher from Gravity Falls. Things you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like or subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Alright, first thing we're going to start for our Bill Cipher is going to be the triangle. So we're going to make one line that goes all the way right here. Then we're going to take a curve right here. So then it's going to go all the way here. Then we're also going to make another curve up here. Then it's going to go all the way to there. So it looks like that. Then we're going to make an N shape, then a U shape. Then we're going to make kind of like an oval kind of, but like they're both like spikes. And I'm going to add, and then we're going to color it in for the eye. Then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 eyelashes. And we're gonna add a line right here. 1, 2, line. 1, 2, 3, line. 1, 2, 3, 4, line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the middle, we're gonna draw a circle, color it in. I'm gonna add 2 lines, and then we're gonna connect them with a line. And like that. For the like bow tie. Now here we're gonna draw a very like oval kinda, like an oval that has been flattened. That actually I'm gonna extend it a little bit. Then we're just gonna draw 2 lines that go tall, and we're gonna connect them, and I'm gonna color that in also. Then we're gonna draw like a J shape, and you can draw another J shape, and you can color. Then you connect it at the end. Now you're just gonna make an oval right here, like that. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing, but it's all backwards. And right here, we're going to draw a big U shape. We're going to draw 2 of them. Then we're going to make a line that curves up and it goes down. Then we're going to add 1 end, another end, and another end. And you can color black, but once we get to the Sharpie part, it's going to look better. Believe me. And we're going to do the exact same thing. 1 U, and that. And then this is your choice. You can add a ball of fire because, like, well, when it makes a deal, the hand is blue. So we're just gonna draw 1, and then we're gonna draw another outline. All right, this is what your, the let's say the sketch. I mean, not say the sketch. This is the sketch. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through all this outlining, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Wait, no, I'm actually gonna show you the colors. Let's make it easier. So you're gonna need 1 dark yellow and 1 lighter yellow, and an orange-ish yellow. So those are gonna be your main colors. Then you're also gonna need a gray. And 2 blues, 1 dark one and 1 light one. Alright, these should be all your colors. Alright, now I'm gonna fast forward through the outline and the coloring, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright everyone, this is what your Bill Cipher should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.